Hey, what's going on, everyone? Charlie here. Just wanted to bring you a quick video regarding AMC and the run that we saw today. Very nice move, nearly a 10% run. The reasoning behind this is a couple of things. Number one, it was the short settlement window this week, which I've gone over in previous videos. If you've forgotten, you can find this information on FINRA's website. Just go to Google and type in FINRA short interest reporting. As you can see here, the most recent window was between this last Tuesday, July 15th, through today, 17th. That is our window of short interest reporting. Now, if we go and we look at the chart, again, if you mark these periods on the chart, you can see clearly and historically, we typically see at least one green day between the two settlement dates. So again, the green marker here is going to be for the settlement date itself, and then the blue marker is for the due dates, and this happens twice per month, every month. So as you can see here, the due date spiked a big run for AMC. I wouldn't expect anything crazy to happen because, again, we do have earnings coming up relatively soon, and it's going to be a very important earnings to pay attention to. The EPS forecast has it just shy of profitable, which is huge. So if we have any beat at all that could turn this company profitable, it's going to be, I think, bull dicks moving forward. Excuse my language, but that's what we're looking at. Option statistics, we saw a ridiculous amount of calls today at 101,000 contracts, as opposed to barely any put volume coming in relative to the call volume. IV percentile spiked significantly, as well as HV percentile. There was a large differential between this heading up to today. Now that's kind of evened out, but it's still not up to that 100% mark, but it is high. So if we look at the IV, it did spike the IV a lot, so keep that in mind. Contracts prices are inflated. I would expect this to come down heading into earnings, but again, you just never know. Just going to point out what I think based on the data. So let's go ahead and take a look at the database here now, just to see what we got here. So we're going to select AMC or ticker from info table, where ticker is AMC, and we do have that in there. Cool. So we're going to select everything, and I'm going to give you the rundown on this. So quite a bit of columns here. Let's just go ahead. We're going to check. We're going to do this. We're going to select just a few things. Sentiment, volatile, rank. We're going to do opt vol, I think is a column, from info, where ticker is AMC. So sentiment is neutral. Volatile rank is slightly volatile. So that lines up with what we saw today. If we select everything from multi-quote, where ticker is AMC, we get some more information here. Let's see. We have the EPS. Do we have an EPS reading here? Let's go ahead and select EPS from multi-quote, where ticker is AMC. So EPS is negative 1.05. That's at the last measurement. Let's go to next earning day from multi-quote, where ticker is AMC, and we have earnings. It's not actually on there. Let's take a look at the, let's see, total shares, 50 high, 50 low. We're not near the 50 low or the 50 high. We're kind of somewhere in the middle. But the forward-looking projections, if we look at the EPS revisions, so ticker from EPS revisions, where ticker is AMC. Okay, we have that in there, and let's get the data to see if there's any revisions that have been made. So there's been no revisions as of late for AMC in the EPS revisions. Let's look at the capital flow. Capital flow, where ticker is AMC. And based on today's data, I know it's kind of hard for y'all to see this, we had a major inflow come in today that surpassed all other volume. So that's a good sign. And yeah, I mean, as far as AMC itself, we're just looking at earnings right now. I mean, there is somewhat relative short interest. But it's nothing crazy, nothing like what we saw in 2021. But the reason why we did run today is due to that short interest window. It happens very, very often. Actually, almost every time we see at least one green day on the settlement period. So just wanted to throw that out there. Stay away from the FUD and the hype train. We all know that this is a more of a fundamentalist play now, just waiting on a profitable earnings outcome. So we're almost there. Box office has been killing it. So just keep an eye on the earnings upcoming, and we'll have to wait and see what we see there as far as the numbers. The next earnings is going to fall anywhere between the 31st of this month and August 4th, so it is coming up very quickly. So we're going to have to wait and see. It's a hold rating mainly, but yeah, y'all hang in there, and I will be back around here soon, sooner than later. Got to wrap up my own personal stuff, but yep, y'all take it easy, and we'll see where this goes here soon. I'm excited for it, y'all.